Welcome back, fellow students. This video will kick off our new series on data analysis using Pivot Table. Pivot Table is an extremely powerful data analysis tool in Excel. Without further ado, let's dive into our first video of this series. If you have been following attentively to our course so far, we are nearing the end of our journey. We have basically completed our data preparation and data modeling stages of our roadmap. In this video series, we shall focus on the last stage, which is using Power Pivot to perform data analysis and visualization. More specifically, we will be learning about Power Pivot Table and Pivot Chart. However, for this series, we will focus solely on Pivot Table. We will use this tool to perform data analysis. Pivot Table is available on Microsoft Excel by default. All of you should be able to find it easily. After launching Microsoft Excel, go to Insert tab and you should see Pivot Table as shown in this picture. Pivot Table is one of the tools in Excel that does magic. It is a powerful tool to calculate, summarize, and analyze data that lets you see comparisons, patterns, and trends in your data. What this means is that it can take in a data set of any sizes, manipulate it using various sophisticated techniques, and then provide a summary of the data. This process can be completed within a short period of time. For example, it takes in a data set like this and then convert it into a table like this, which summarizes the data set. In a sense, you do not need to insert any formula to calculate the grand total. The pivot table will do all the calculations for you. Before you use Pivot Table to perform your data analysis, make sure your raw data fulfills the following conditions. Make sure that each column has a header, there is no empty columns and rows, and no total or subtotal rows. That means your data set really contains raw data.